Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? Today I want to talk about what we added to our preps. Now this is a solar hand crank radio. It's also battery operated. Now I found this on Amazon and it was $23.99. It also takes AAA batteries, 3 AAA batteries. It's also a flashlight, okay. Can you see that, how bright that is? And here's the solar right here. There's another flashlight right there. Okay. And I'll leave the link in the description box below if you want to get one. But I just wanted to show you that it does work. And this also can, because it has a USB port, see right here, you can also charge your cell phones here. So I thought this was a really great find. My husband absolutely loves this thing. So this is just a very short video on something that I wanted to show you that of what we added to our preps. Oh yeah, here's something else that Sean pointed out. It doesn't just take AAA, it's also these batteries right here, these ion, I guess that's lithium ion batteries. So, and it's also crank as well. So just a cool little find, because it's always recommended that you have a battery operated radio, but it's also solar. So it's always recommended that you have something like this in with your preps, whether you're bugging in or bugging out. Just in case, yes, if we do lose power, you'll still be able to know what is going on in the world, especially if we have a power outage due to severe weather, i.e. hurricanes, tornadoes, if you live over in California, like earthquakes, and so on and so forth. So this does AM, FM. What is WB? That's something I didn't see. Huh. It does come with a booklet here. These are the batteries, because I buy my batteries on Amazon too. This is a warranty card. Oh yeah, okay, this is a Noaa radio too, the Noaa radio. Just trying to see what that WB stands for, because I've never seen that before. And I'm not seeing what that stands for on here, so if anybody knows what that means, please comment what WB stands for, please. Or wait, what's this mean? Radio frequency range, because it says AM, FM, and then it says Noaa. So would WB mean weather broadcast? Could that be it? So that's interesting. I would have never even figured that out. Huh. Okay. Because it says, here's the specifications right here, if you can see that. And then for over here, it says about, is that blurry? I'm sorry. Let me see if I can bring it into where it's not blurry. Darn it, I don't think I can. It says the USB port charging, recharge it via supplied USB cable, which is, this is the cable that it came with. Connect USB power such as AC/DC adapter or computer USB power port and the micro USB jack of the radio with the supplied USB charging cable. Power indicator flashes red during charging, which is this light right here. Power indicator flashes red during charging while it keeps on red after being fully charged. Takes 4.5 hours to fully charge the internal Li-ion battery. So that's interesting. I didn't realize that there was an internal ion battery. So that's good to know. And then there's the AAA batteries, which go right there. Power supply hand cranking, because I was playing around with this the other night and I'm sitting here and I'm going, okay, what am I supposed to do with this? You know, because I've never owned anything like this before, and neither has Sean. So, and it says right here, hand cranking. Turn the hand crank for 35 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes to activate, hi Penny, to activate the internal battery for, initial use. While cranking the unit, the charging indicator will turn red. Turn the hand crank continuously in clockwise or counterclockwise at a speed of 130 to 150 RPM to generate power. It will be fully charged in 4 hours. Holy cow. 1 minute of cranking supports 20 minutes of light or 10 to 15 minutes of radio playing at medium volume. Now that's interesting, because I seriously had no clue what this was all about. I didn't. Now the solar power, expose the radio solar power in direct sunlight. Solar panel will charge the entire device, including the radio, flashlight, and SOS alarm. Oh yeah, listen to this, because here's the alarm, this AL right here. Listen, ready? It is mostly used for maintaining the battery to extend its life. Okay, charge a mobile phone. Connect cell phone with other USB 5-volt devices and radio via USB cable. It will charge automatically. Cell phone or other devices can be charged by using the hand crank. Hang on real quick. Okay, so I went and got my charger, and I'm using my cell phone to video right now, because I always do. So I have my tablet here. So let's see if it really does work. And son of a gun, look at that. Can you see that right here? The little lightning bolt in the battery? There it is. Son of a gun, it does work. Okay, so that's awesome sauce. So it's just, listen. So at least you know this. Get this. Get it. For $23.99, honestly, you can't beat it. Let me keep reading this real quick. The cell phone and other devices can be used charging their, okay, yeah, by using the hand crank AAA batteries if needed, but as the last charging option. Note, do not charge USB devices when you are using the radio to receive the AM band, or it may have noise interference for the radio. This feature is intended to only charge USB devices for emergency use, not normal power bank. Using the flashlight and reading lamp. Press the flashlight switch to turn it off and on. Lift the solar power panel. The lights will turn on automatically. Yeah, we saw that because there's that one. And then there's this one. Radio operation. Select the ion battery or AAA battery before use. Oh, okay. See, I didn't even see that. I didn't. So it's on the AAA one, and you can switch it to the ion battery. Okay, see, that's interesting. I didn't even realize that either. So you're learning right along with me. Turn the volume dial clockwise to power on the radio, which, yeah, it's this one. Select the FM, AM, WB with radio band. Extend the antenna to get better signal reception. Turn the tuner dial to select the station. Green tune indicator turns on, then the station selected is fully engaged. When battery is overloading or short circuit, it will stop output automatically. When the battery voltage is lower than 2.7 volts, the radio will cut off automatically. Wow. Okay. So honestly, for $23.99, this thing does so much more than I thought that it actually did. So I'll leave the link in the description box below if you want to go and purchase this. It's on Amazon for $23.99. I'm so glad I bought this. I really am. Okay. That's the end of this video. I love you. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.